Alright guys, Jacob here with ePoolSupply. So today we are going to go over how to use your light function on the Intellicenter control app. So as you can see here, this is the mobile version of the Intellicenter control app. So what we got is I got my pool, my features, my lights, my chemistry, pumps, schedules, history. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the lights button. So as you can see here, I got a lot going on. So which I'm going to show you guys how to control everything. So what it is I've got my pool lights, pergola lights, landscape lights, then I have 2 light groups. So we're gonna go over all of it real quick. So my pool lights. So if I want my pool lights on, I'm gonna press that toggle switch that I just turned on there for you. And then if I wanna change my color, I just press where it says party mode. Party mode pops up again, so I'm gonna press it again. So now I can choose from this screen whatever color I want to, a sequence or a color. So let's go to American. And then you click the lights button in the top left to go back one more time. And then now my pool lights will be on American. So now if I want my pergola lights on, those are just white pergola lights. And now if I want my landscape lights on, I can actually just turn my landscape lights on and I can now choose whatever color I want those to be. So let's make them white. So that's how you just simply turn on pool lights, control the colors for IntelliBrite through the actual pool light app part of the app. So now I have a light group, which I created, which I will show you how to create as well. So I have one called IntelliBrites. This controls my pool lights and my landscape lights because both of those are IntelliBrites. So if I want to make them both the same color at the same time, I just click on that romance button, click it again, say I want them both to be on sunset. So, oh, maybe I pressed the wrong button. Oh yeah, sunset, there you go. So sunset, and now they'll both be on sunset. So even though they're on different colors up above, they'll both turn to sunset, which is kind of neat. So let me show you how to create a light group. So you press the settings in the top right and see how it says settings again, press settings, light groups, and then it pulls up my light groups. So as you can see, my IntelliBrites, I have added it, I can label it whatever I want to. For some reason it wants to autocorrect to IntelliJrites. So when you're on this page, you can add other lights to it if you want to. So right now I can add my pergola lights if I want to make it all of my lights turn on. However, I just did IntelliBrites, that way it controls the color lights only. And also I can do just yard lights, so all my pergola lights and my landscape lights. So all this plus arrow is how you can add whatever you want to. So I'm gonna go back to home page, lights. And then when all your lights are on, the simplest way to turn them off is the big red all off button. So if I press that, boom, everything's off. And if I want them all on, they're all gonna turn on with that green, slowly. So it kind of can get overwhelming if you turn them all on. So all off. So what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna turn them all off again. And now we're good. So I am Jacob with ePoolSupply. Today I showed you guys how to control your lights through the Intellicenter control app. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.